Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
What's the fastest way to build a six-figure AI business in 2025? After helping dozens of entrepreneurs launch profitable AI companies, I'm going to reveal the 5 AI business models with the most explosive growth potential right now. I'll show you exactly how to start each one using a proven framework that's generated over 7 figures for my clients. By the end, I'll pick the best opportunity and demonstrate how to land your first client in the next 48 hours. I'll break down the startup costs, skill requirements, and revenue potential for each model. This isn't theory. These are battle-tested strategies that are printing money for people who started with nothing. Let's get into it. Number 5. The AI Lead Qualification System. Businesses will pay you to filter their incoming leads using AI, so their sales team only talks to qualified prospects ready to buy. You're essentially saving them thousands of hours and helping them close more deals by putting intelligence between the lead and the salesperson. The beauty is, you're not replacing their team, you're making them more effective. The cost to start is incredibly low because you can use existing platforms. The effort is medium since you'll need to understand sales qualification and basic setup, but the income potential is massive. You could easily charge $800 to $1,200 per month per client, and once you have 5 clients, that's $6,000 monthly recurring revenue. The reason this works so well is that most businesses are drowning in unqualified leads. They're spending money on ads, but their sales team wastes time talking to tire kickers. When you come in and show them how AI can score leads, ask qualifying questions, and only pass hot prospects to their team, it's an instant yes. The ROI is obvious. They're paying you a fraction of what a full-time qualifier costs, and the AI works 24/7 without sick days or vacation. Now, before I reveal number 4, let me share the framework that makes all of this possible. I call it the AI Profit Blueprint. Step 1 is identify. You need to pick a specific industry and reach out to potential clients. Don't try to serve everyone. Pick dentists, real estate agents, or fitness coaches. Specificity sells. Step 2 is pre-sell. This is critical. You sell the solution and collect payment before you build anything. Create a simple proposal document explaining what you'll deliver, include pricing, and add a payment link. When they say yes, they pay immediately. Step 3 is execute. The moment someone pays you, drop everything and deliver results fast. Speed builds trust. Getting them a win in the first 72 hours creates raving fans who refer others. Step 4 is systematize. Once you've delivered manually a few times, you document the process and create a repeatable system. This is how you scale from 1 client to 10 to 50 without burning out. Number 4. AI Video Marketing Agency. You'll get paid to help businesses create personalized video messages at scale using AI. Think about this. Every business wants to send video messages to prospects, customers, and partners, but recording individual videos is impossible. You solve this by using AI to generate personalized videos that look and sound real. The cost is medium, because you'll need access to AI video tools. The effort is medium, since you need to learn the technology and understand marketing. But here's the exciting part. The income potential is $1,000 to $2,000 per client per month. I know someone who landed 3 real estate brokerages as clients. Each one pays $1,500 monthly, and he's making $4,500 a month working part-time. The demand is exploding because video outperforms every other content type, but businesses don't have time to create it. When you show up and say you can help them send personalized video messages to hundreds of people automatically, they can't sign up fast enough. Real estate agents use it for listing announcements. Coaches use it for client onboarding. E-commerce brands use it for abandoned cart recovery. The applications are endless. Number 3. AI Customer Support Automation. This is where you help companies automate their customer service using AI that can handle common questions, troubleshoot issues, and escalate complex problems to humans. Businesses are desperate for this because customer support is expensive and hard to scale. The cost is medium because you'll need some technical tools and integrations. The effort is also medium since you need to understand customer service workflows and train the AI properly. But the income potential is incredible. You could charge $1,500 to $3,000 per month per client. Here's why this is so powerful. Most businesses have the same 20 questions that make up 80% of their support tickets. When you come in and automate those responses with AI that sounds human and actually solves problems, you're saving them tens of thousands in support costs. I've seen people build entire agencies around this. One guy I know serves e-commerce stores exclusively. He charges $2,000 per month and has 12 clients. That's $24,000 monthly recurring revenue. His clients love him because their response times went from hours to seconds, and their support costs dropped by 60%. The best part is once you set it up, it runs automatically. You just monitor performance and make tweaks. Now we're getting into the really big opportunities. Number 2, AI Workflow Automation Consultant. You get paid to map out a business's repetitive tasks and automate them using AI. We're talking about things like data entry, report generation, invoice processing, and document creation. Every business has dozens of tasks that eat up hours, but don't require human creativity. The cost is medium because you'll invest in automation tools and possibly some training. The effort is medium to high because you need to understand business processes and how to connect different systems. But the income potential is where this gets exciting. You can charge $3,000 to $10,000 per project, and businesses will pay it happily because you're saving them multiples of that in labor costs. Here's a real example. A friend of mine approached a law firm that was manually processing intake forms. It took a paralegal 3 hours per day. He built an AI system that extracted information from forms, populated their case management software, and sent automated follow-ups. He charged $5,000 for the project, and it took him 2 weeks to build. The law firm saves over $30,000 per year. He now has 6 law firms as clients and makes over $100,000 annually just from this one niche. The opportunity is massive because every industry has these bottlenecks. Accounting firms, medical offices, insurance agencies, they're all drowning in manual work. When you show up with AI solutions that give them their time back, they'll pay premium prices. Number 1, and this is the biggest opportunity I see right now, the AI Business Intelligence Dashboard. You help business owners visualize and understand their data using AI-powered dashboards that answer questions in plain English. Most businesses are sitting on gold mines of data, but have no idea what it means. They have sales data, customer data, marketing data, all scattered across different platforms. You come in, connect everything, and build a dashboard where they can ask questions like, "What's my best performing product this month?" or "Which marketing channel has the highest ROI?" and get instant answers. The cost is medium because you'll need dashboard tools and data integration platforms. The effort is medium to high because you need to understand data and business metrics. But here's why this is number 1. The income potential is $5,000 to $15,000 per project, plus ongoing monthly fees of $1,000 to $3,000 for maintenance and updates. Business owners will pay almost anything for clarity. When you can show a CEO exactly where they're making money and where they're losing it, you become invaluable. I know someone who built a dashboard for a multi-location restaurant group. They charged $12,000 up front and $2,000 per month ongoing. The dashboard showed which locations were profitable, which menu items had the best margins, and which marketing campaigns drove the most customers. The restaurant owner said it was the best investment they'd ever made. Now this person has 4 restaurant groups as clients and makes over $200,000 per year. Now, as I promised, let me walk you through step 1 of the AI profit blueprint with the business I'd start today. If I was starting from zero, I'd launch the AI Business Intelligence Dashboard service. Here's why. Every business owner I know is overwhelmed by data and desperate for insights. They're making million-dollar decisions based on gut feelings because they can't make sense of their numbers. Let me show you exactly how I'd get my first client. I'd reach out to someone I know who runs a growing business. Let's say it's my friend Sarah who owns a chain of boutique fitness studios. Here's exactly what I'd say on that call. I'd start by asking her how she currently tracks which of her locations is performing best. I'd mention that she probably has membership data, class attendance, revenue per location, all that stuff, and ask how she makes sense of it all. Now, most business owners in her position will admit it's a complete mess. They have spreadsheets everywhere, managers sending reports they never have time to review, and they're basically flying blind. They know they're growing, but have no idea which locations are actually profitable. That's when I'd ask the magic question. If she could wave a magic wand and have all that data in one place where she could just ask questions and get answers instantly, what would that be worth? I'd paint the picture. Imagine seeing in real time which classes are most profitable, which instructors drive the most retention, which marketing campaigns actually work. What's that worth? Most business owners will immediately recognize they're probably making at least one bad decision per week because they don't have that visibility. When you help them quantify it, they'll realize it's costing them $50,000 or more per year in missed opportunities and bad decisions. That's when you present your solution. You explain that you build AI-powered dashboards that pull all their data together and let them ask questions in plain English. They could literally ask which location had the best retention last month and get an instant answer with charts and everything. The system learns their business, so the insights get better over time. Then you simply ask if they'd be open to a 30-minute demo where you show them exactly how this would work for their business. 9 times out of 10, they'll say yes immediately and want to schedule it right away. See how simple that approach is? You're not pitching features. You're not talking about technology. You're asking about their pain, quantifying the cost, and offering a solution that directly addresses what they need. That's the formula. Pain, cost, solution. From there, you do the demo, show them what's possible, and present your offer. For a business like Sarah's Fitness Studios, I'd charge $8,000 to build the initial dashboard and $1,500 per month for updates and support. She'll say yes because $8,000 is nothing compared to the $50,000 she's losing annually. Once you land that first client and get them results, you ask for a testimonial and a referral. Then you reach out to similar businesses in the same industry. You become known as the dashboard expert for fitness studios, or restaurants, or retail stores, or whatever niche you choose. That's how you build a 6-figure business in the AI economy. The key is to stop overthinking and start doing. Pick one of these 5 models based on what excites you and what skills you already have. If you love sales, do lead qualification. If you're creative, do video marketing. If you're analytical, do business intelligence. Then follow the AI profit blueprint. Identify your niche, pre-sell before you build, execute fast, and systematize for scale. The biggest mistake people make is trying to learn everything before they start. You don't need to be an AI expert. You need to understand business problems and know how to connect them with AI solutions. The technology exists. The tools are available. What's missing is someone who can bridge the gap between the technology and the business owner who needs it. That someone can be you. Now, here's your next step. Go to the link in the description and sign up for Go High Level. It's the all-in-one platform that has every tool I mentioned in this video: lead qualification, video marketing, customer support automation, workflow automation, and business intelligence dashboards. Everything is built in. You don't need to piece together 10 different tools. Go High Level gives you everything you need to start and scale your AI business. Thousands of people are already using it to build 6- and 7-figure agencies. The platform does the heavy lifting so you can focus on getting clients and delivering results. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The AI revolution is happening right now, and the people who move fast are the ones who win. Sign up for Go High Level, pick your business model, and make your first outreach call today. I'll see you at the top.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.